entrance to Subway for Bill. There's a passage written by a Russian composer, The Wind in a Graveyard. There's the sound of Bill Evans every time I put him on. There's the sound of a subway of two rats fighting at the bottom of stairs. There's the sound of Rothko painting the subway scene, narrow figures growing more narrow. There's a train approaching, always a train approaching, lights burning blue and red in the dark. There's a stairway down to a club under the street in a city of the departed. There are more tunes than you can name, but no matter how bright, they're dark. There's Bill Evans playing the note a bassist needs to tune with other notes so quiet. There are announcers speaking other languages, welcoming and naming the trio, the light long gone. There's the fact of the sun almost gone in words. We're going to see a show. There's the lateness. Will we make the set? There's only so many hours left. Death comes very early.